Alright, so in the previous part we have covered the introduction of the tutorial. In this part we are moving to the next step, which is anatomy of a component. So it's a bit related to what we talked about in the previous part, but with just a bit more information regarding styling, etc. All right, so yeah, that they are mainly talking about the fact that each component has three parts. Actually, the CSS is optional, but it has a TypeScript class, an HTML template, and CSS styles. So we didn't see the CSS styles in the previous example, but here we can see it. So you see that we have in the component decorator a styles property, and its value is some inlined CSS. So here it's saying that the host of the component will apply the color blue on every element of the component. So when the CSS is very simple, it's fine to let it in the styles, but usually CSS of a component will be far longer than that. So you would prefer to put it in its own style file, same as we mentioned in the previous part regarding the template. And yeah, and in the component decorator you just relate to the path of that styling file that contains the CSS. Okay, so the template here, the content of the template is hello, and the style applied is blue. That's why we can see in the preview in the browser that we can see hello in blue. So as the opposite of the previous part, which was just an introduction, here they are asking us to play a little bit with the file. So they're asking us to add a hello universe. So let's do that. It will automatically save and reload the browser. Just give it a bit of time. Yeah, as you can see, we can see the hello universe. So, and they're asking us to change the color from blue to a specific color code. Let's do that. And it changes from blue to a type of purple. Okay, so yeah, that's mainly it for this part. Nothing particular. In the next part we will work on updating the component, the class file and its operation most likely.